Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some warm conditions out there already this morning, almost near 80 degrees. So temperatures really rising quickly this morning. Going to see more of a easterly flow once we move in the afternoon hours. That should really decrease our temperatures fairly quickly for the afternoon hours and give us a more pleasant afternoon with temperatures in the lower 70s to upper 60s. Going to see some slightly breezy onshore flow as well, possibly gusting up to near 20 knots this afternoon. But overall, a nice day today. No chance of precipitation or lightning across the region. Looking like some fair weather for the next few days. Our freezing level on this morning's sounding was 11,300 feet. Winds out of the north to northwest around 15 to 20 knots in the low levels, then becoming more northeasterly in the mid levels up 25 knots at 9,000 feet, and then seeing a peak wind out of the north this morning at 28 knots at 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure in control. We have a weak surface boundary just along the coast. It's going to be moved through our area for this afternoon, and that's going to give us that onshore flow for this afternoon, giving us those cooler temperatures. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see not much cloud cover out there other than the upper level cirrus across the region, and I'm going to continue to see that stream through the area today in the upper level northerly flow. Taking a look at our camera shot this morning, just a bit of cirrus cloudiness out there as reflected in the satellite imagery, and taking a look at the European model for the next few days. High pressure in control today, and then moving into tomorrow, going to see continued high pressure in control. That high pressure is going to be continuing to stream down or build down from New England, and that's going to give us those nice conditions tomorrow. Not quite as warm tomorrow, as we'll have cooler conditions to start out with, and more onshore flow persistent for tomorrow. And not as light as we saw this morning. So not expecting as quite as warm tomorrow, but overall still a pleasant day. Then Saturday looks like we'll have winds more out of a windward component off the land, and that's going to give us some warm conditions for Saturday afternoon, especially a very slight chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm late Saturday with a weak boundary trying to move through the region, but overall not going to see very good chances of that occurring. And then for Sunday, another warm day in a store, possibly seeing some 90s in the inland locations of the Delmarva, upper 80s expected along the coast, and even could see some 90s along the coast if everything does work out right, but most likely will be in the 80s. For Monday, we'll have a backdoor cold front move through Monday morning. That's going to give us some low cloud in the morning and some cooler conditions, for the afternoon hours for Monday. We'll see a weak disturbance moving through for Tuesday. The European model here shows some showers moving through. Not a very good agreement with all the other models, though, so only going to see about a 25% chance right now that occurring, and we'll continue to monitor the agreements within the models for this system moving through for possibly next Tuesday. And then we'll continue on seeing warmer conditions for Wednesday ahead of a cold front approaching, and that's going to give us a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Looks like late in the day on Wednesday right now. Just depends on how much moisture is associated with that front moving through. So looking at our risk chart for today, green chart across the board, should see that southeasterly flow build this afternoon, gusting up to 20 knots. A high this morning around 79 degrees, as we do have temperatures really warming quickly this morning, already up to 77, 78 degrees this morning. So going with 79, had to increase the forecast temperature just a bit from this morning, and should see those temperatures fall to near 74 degrees by noontime, and then continuing to decline in the overnight hours down to 54 degrees tomorrow morning, with more light easterly to northeasterly flow overnight. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, next 24 hours, VFR conditions expected. Just some upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region. Going to see a period of primarily partly cloudy to mostly clear skies overnight, but going to see that clear cirrus cloudiness, build back in for tomorrow morning, and see a broken deck once again at 25,000 feet. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday, green charts across the board. Friday, partly cloudy and pleasant, a high of 73. Friday night, partly cloudy and seasonable, low of 59. And for Saturday, partly mostly cloudy and warm, slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm late, and we'll see a high of 84 degrees. So the next 7 days, looking at those warm conditions this morning, cooler this afternoon, pleasant tomorrow, high of 73, and then for Saturday, 84 degrees, Sunday, 88 degrees, 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm late Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then again, a 20% chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm Sunday afternoon. With all that warmth and increasing humidity, can't rule out a sea breeze shower or thunderstorm Sunday afternoon. Monday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies and cooler temperatures, a high of 71. Most likely be stuck in the 60s for most of the day on Monday. And then for Tuesday and Wednesday, seeing that air mass moderate, a 25% chance of a shower on Tuesday. Right now, kind of not seeing a very good agreement in the models I mentioned, and only sticking with a 25% here, and then a 20% chance of a thunderstorm late Wednesday with that front approaching. Just the timing of the front and amount of moisture on that front is going to depict or give us our chances being lower or higher. Right now, only 20%. And seeing 86 degrees on Wednesday next week. Could be a bit warmer if we do get more of a westerly component to our winds. Right now, it looks like more south-southwesterly, but we'll be a warm air mass in front of that front moving through for next Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.